Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be decorating a hexagon cake. Very easy and very beautiful. So please, today, if you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you can join this lovely family by clicking the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. If I post any new video, you will get an alert. This cake is an easy cake to decorate, so don't be scared. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's start. I'm still rubbing in my alcohol. This is a wedding cake. I want it to last for a long time. That's why I'm rubbing in alcohol before I put the buttercream. I'm decorating this cake on a stacking board. You can see the round stacking board on top of the square board, because this cake will be on top of a square cake, so I need to decorate it on a stacking board so that when I want to lift it and place it, it will be very okay and firm. The plum on the cake will help you to indicate the size that is higher than the other, so that you can be able to use your crumbs, the excess you cut out already, and fill it up. All you're trying to achieve is to make sure that the water at the center of the plum is at the center. The water is at the center, because at the center you can see is equal. That means the sizes are equal. So you see the water is at the center, everything is equal. So I can now trim. To be sincere to you, this is my first time of decorating a hexagon cake, so I'm taking my time. I'm being careful. So as a baker, don't be afraid of anything. One thing I make sure I do before I start my work, I hand over everything to my God, to my Creator, believing everything is possible with God. And I take off, and I believe it will still come out well. So far, I've handed it over to my Creator. Everything will come out perfect. I'm sure. I trust God, and I believe, and I have faith. It will still come out perfect. So don't be scared of any work. Don't be scared of anything. All you need to do, trust God. Hand it over to Him. You can achieve all your dreams with the help of your Creator. Right now, I'm inserting dowel rods. The reason I'm inserting it now is just to hold the cake, so that when I start crumb coating or decorating, it won't shift or move. Everything will still be on the right lane. For this fondant recipe, I'll be putting the link on the description box below. Feel free to check it out, watch the video and enjoy. I love this recipe so much. It works for me. I know it will also work for you. Please feel free to invite people to my channel. Tell them about progressive cakes and nourishment. Tell them to come online and learn for free. You can see our sharp edges are coming out bit by bit. If today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Feel free to join this lovely family by hitting on the cross subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of our new videos, so that any day we post any new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of our new videos, so that any day we drop any new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Thanks for coming around. To the new subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Thanks so much for subscribing. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to share to your friends. Feel free to invite a friend to this channel. And feel free to ask questions. Feel free to comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out my channel and you will see something you have been looking for a long time. Thanks for watching.